Hello my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. This app I'm about to show you now pays you to listen to radio. It's available worldwide and you can cash out via PayPal, ATM, Binance and other payout options. A lot of people have reviewed this app, so I'm going to look at it today with you guys. I will also give you my own review later on a community post, whether it paid me or not. So we're going to go in now so that I can show you this app. Okay, you want to go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store to download it. So keep us updated. We want to know if you actually made money from this website. All right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, and subscribe for more videos like this as we go in now. All right, I've already downloaded it, but I will then walk you through how the interface works. Okay, so let me know your thoughts about this one. We are trying to share anything that can help us to make money, no matter how little it is. Let's get started. After you sign up or you log in with your Google account, this is the interface. Welcome to GV Radios. Make money with our unique wholesome platform for listening to your favorite radio stations. Free and unlimited GV radio app. Listen now and earn money. So this is actually a radio app that pays you to listen to radio. Okay, so I'll click on continue. This is my dashboard, as you can see. This is it says most popular Belgian dance radio from Belgium, Paris Sound, United Kingdom, Elzo, USA, Aqua Radio, Hungary, La Roca, Colombia, Brazil, USA, Germany, Netherlands, Germany. So they have radio stations from different countries: Switzerland, Brazil, United Kingdom, France, Argentina, USA. So from the review that I got, you listen and you get paid. And they said it depends on your location. You might not be able to find as much as I have on my screen right now from your location. Okay, so you can add your favorite country, select your country. Let me see the countries that are here. Let me see if Nigeria is here. Okay, so I didn't see Nigeria here, but I don't know if this is for people that want to be like, if it is the country that you want to listen in, not the location. Okay, Nigeria is here anyway. Nigeria is here, but I'm just going to select my location so that it will be accurate. Okay, so this is a kind of review, and also if he pays me, why not? Okay, I'm always looking for ways to make little money online. So if this one pays me as well, good for me. So as we're trying it together, I'll make sure I put my accurate information so that when it's time, if it actually pays, when it's time to withdraw my money, I will not have any issues. Okay, so that's my location. So once you select your location, you're going to start seeing musics that you can stations that you can listen to from your location. Okay, so I think what it's doing is, if you want to listen to music in a country, like a particular country, you select it here, then radio stations in that country will pop up like so. Okay, 247 House Radio, 24 Horace Radio, 10 Radio, 106 Jack FM, for United Kingdom. Okay, so let me check Nigeria again. Oh, for Nigeria they have ABS Oka, 88.5, 101.9 Rock City FM, Royal Mind Radio, 1 Radio PHC, 234 Radio, 88.5 UFM, Magic FM, Abba, Niger Talk Radio, Active Radio, Adjure Radio, Advanced Africa Radio, ACM Radio, Adaba 88.9 FM, Alafins Radio. So guys, depends on the country you want to listen to. So for Nigeria, they actually have a lot of radios that you can listen to here. So I'm not gonna just dwell on Nigeria. Let me check other countries. Let's check Ghana. It's the writing is a bit tiny, so it's quite difficult to navigate. So when we're looking for Ghana, you can check your country. Okay, let's just check Kenya since I'm finding it hard to find Ghana. So look at, they have 560 Christian Radio, Kenya, 97.1 Central FM, 95.0, 96.3, Adventist Angels, Abundance 360. Guys, any country you enter, you must find radio stations. For New Zealand, you can see all the radio stations in New Zealand. Okay, let's now try and see how to get paid. Now that you have seen that you can select any country of your choice and then get paid and then find radio stations, let's see how it works. It says complete by watching ads to receive a bonus reward. Click on this cell to find out more. I think I've earned something, but my recording screen is actually blocking it. Yeah, okay, let's watch one ad. So you follow the steps below and fulfill the progress bar. You will win rewards automatically for 2 hours 40 minutes after completing. How to win? Click on the play ad button, download the app from the next ad, open the installed application. I'm not a fan of listening, and I'm not a fan of opening and installing apps, okay? But I'll just do it for a bit, but I'm not a fan of. But again, guys, if you're looking for money, okay? If you're looking for money, you should be able to do anything. You should be. For instance, you can download this app now. You can install this app and then, okay, I'll just install it. You can install it like what I do. After installation, once I get the money, I will uninstall it. Yeah, that's how I do it, just to get the money. So if you're the type that is looking for small change, guys, there's no harm in actually downloading it. Open the app installed in order to secure you. Okay, just open the app installed. I don't want it to use my location, and I'm not letting it use my location. Congrats on receiving your rewards. Do you think the app is worthy of 5 stars? Yes or no? Okay, I'll just say yes, even though I don't know what the app is all about. So yeah, I've completed that one and then I've got the reward. My recording app is blocking my reward. I don't know how much is there, but yeah, so that's it. You keep watching ad, but let's listen. Let me see how it actually works. So you click on it. Permission required. Display over apps. For quick access to radio controls, this app needs permission to appear over other apps. With this, you can pause, play, or change stations anytime without reopening the apps. So you can give this permission to display over apps, okay? So that you can just play the radio. You can even put on the radio while you are asleep and let it play while the money accumulates for you. I'm going to do that after recording this video. I'm definitely going to try it. Okay, play it, let it draw over other apps when you're sleeping, or you're on the road, or you can just play the radio and let it play. I don't even listen to it. I just turn down the volume and listen. So this is where you're going to find your money here. This is where you find your money. The best providers in your country, that's my country where I am, the best providers, top 3 providers in my country, but I can change the country for better options, is PayPal, and the minimum is 0.35 cents. 35 cents dollars. 35 cents, right? That's the minimum I can withdraw, and it's instant. I can also use Revolut or Gcash, or I add a provider here. Okay, and then other providers include Payout, Binance, Hedera. So if you're outside the UK, if you're in Nigeria, you can also withdraw through Bitcoins. Yeah, let me search for Nigeria. I always use Nigeria as an example because Nigeria seems to be the ones suffering more. Yeah, Nigerians are suffering a lot when it comes to withdrawing money from abroad. So here it is. If you're in Nigeria, you can also withdraw through PayPal, Revolut, Gcash. Then you can also withdraw through Binance or Binance, Easy Passer, OVO. So you can check all these other apps you're seeing. AirTM is my number one as well. When I was in Nigeria, AirTM is my number one money withdrawal app. You can withdraw in dollars and sell your dollar to naira or to dollar. You can do that. If you don't know how this AirTM works, drop in the comments, then I will teach you how to use AirTM. I used them so much when I used to do surveys in Nigeria. I was cashing out using AirTM. So let me know. I'll leave the link as well in the description if you want to sign up, but if you need help signing up, let me know. So you can choose from any of these payout options, okay, to withdraw your money. And then what else is here? So you can watch tutorial description to get acquainted with the app. But I'm definitely not doing that today. You can also earn by referring someone. Okay, they do give away content creators. We're here to support our fellow content creators. Mention us in your content, submit a link for a review, and watch your referral earnings increase by 50%. Okay, mention us in your. Okay, so if now that I've mentioned them, I can leave the link and then see if they will give me something. So that's it, guys. What's this one for? Okay, they have offers. You go and follow them on Instagram for 5 minutes. You earn 2,000 coins. I don't know if they call these coins. Okay. You play games, you earn, you complete offers, Gmail, whatever, try ads. Yeah, they also have offers here. They have the surveys as well. There's offer wars. This is their hot offers, task offers, survey offers, social offers. Okay, follow them on Instagram. You earn 2,000. Subscribe to them. Is it Telegram? You earn. Like them on Facebook. You earn. Follow on TikTok, on WhatsApp. So once you follow them like this and complete these social media offers, I'm sure you're going to earn a lot of money. I'm going to do as well, and I'll give you guys reviews later. Okay, I promise I'll give you guys reviews if I earn from this website. But I saw someone who showed his the money he made from it. Yeah, he actually showed it. I will try it, and once I accumulate my earnings, then I would confirm. Okay, even if I don't make another video, I would post it on the community forum. So that's it from my end. So you can also select the music type. Okay, so or you search it here. Let me know your thoughts, guys. If it's worth your time, check them out and see what they will offer you. We are looking for a way to make small money before December, which is just around the corner. So anything we can do, especially if you live in Africa, where $1 is about 1,000 plus in naira. $5 is like $5 is nearly should I say 5 or 6,000? I don't know. So if you earn $10 from here, that's like 10,000 plus or even more for you. That's why I always share these opportunities. It doesn't matter how little it is, especially when your currency is low. So let me know your thought. And before I go, I thought that I was going to ask you guys if you'd love me to make videos about internship opportunities that can help you, land your dream job abroad. Internship opportunities. If you're interested in internship opportunities, drop in the comments so I can be sharing videos like that. I have them, but I always share them on Facebook. But I want to be bringing them to you guys. Internships, not just jobs. Internships like Google internships, Microsoft internships, and all of that. Drop in the comments. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share with someone. Share with those your little ones at home who like to play games on their phones. This can be a distraction, a form of distraction for them, and they'll be making small money. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave the link for you in the description. I'll see you in the next one.